Well, you're cooking with me today. I'm being fucking plastered. Well, somewhat plastered. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna get drunk, and then we'll see what level of drunk I get. I'll probably get pretty drunk by the end of this video, so. That's Team China right here. He's Sushefu! Hello. Cheers. So good. I like to just do a cling just because. Respect for people. Yeah. Cheers to the freaking weekend. You can cut now and just stop. This is my ingredients I'll be using. So, as you can see, I have some onions, some garlic. Every good wop knows you need basil for anything you use. Well, mostly any sauces, but. So I got my tomato sauce, you got my most of the ingredients I will use, and you got your white wine. This is for the dish itself. The vodka plus the beer and everything else that you don't see, that's for us. So, random shot! This will be going all night.
It's such a
random shot!
oh, there goes one right there.
Bing bing! In Russia, we drink battery acid because that's what vodka's like. It's intense battery acid. I don't know. Fucking intense. Anyways, I'm cutting my onions.
You big mustard tiger.
Okay, so the other thing is I forgot to do. What are the key steps? You may want to turn on the pot.
Oh my god.
But the other thing is too, I don't have anything prepared, so.
I didn't chop the onions as nice as you did because I don't care.
Team China, that's why we pay minimum wage. Less. Less than minimum wage. He doesn't know it yet.
I'm getting paid?
I am happy as a clown. Can I have a random shot? Random shot.
Random shot.
Smooth.
That's actually really good.
Yeah.
Oh.
No chase needed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a bad night. You got your white wine. Dump it in. Crank the heat. There's a lot of them. So you need to booze them up. Okay, that's a lot. Well, just a little bit. Oh well, might as well. Like, look at it. It's sexy.
Yeah.
Feels weird.
It's
like you're mushing baby brains.
I'm just gonna sauce
People are gonna be like, that's fucked. Ah. Alright, how's it going, guys? We completely missed a whole bunch of steps because we skipped it and we got sidetracked and kind of drunk. So, for the most part, I'm going to take a few more shots. And then I'm going to add in everything else. I'm going to tell you guys what I added in, but for right now, I'm finally going to add in the fresh basil because fucking basil, oh my god, it honestly, it turns me on in ways that fucking midget can't tickle me. And if there's any fucking midgets that are watching this, go fuck yourself, you're not tickling me. What I added in this was all the mushrooms, I added the tomato sauce, a little bit more, ooh, a shot.
I think I poured a lot.
Random shot, this is like 3 shots in one. To the freaking weekend, drink to it. Yeah! Alright, so at this point we've passed the point of fucking, you guys haven't seen. I've had a few shots. So, if you take a look at my sauce, it looks sexual. It smells sexual.
Oh, buddy.
The only way I know how it smells sexual is because Team China is like, it's so good.
It's pretty fucking good.
Right, well, you know what? I'm pretty drunk right now. This is the end result of my wicked sauce. If you didn't watch it, because I fucking got drunk and got completely like, I forgot. Either way though, thank you. If you want to subscribe, it's up in this fucking corner, I don't know, and down in that area, like, and bullshit. Either way, thank you guys, have a good weekend, new video every fucking Thursday. Cheers. The goddamn weekend.
I don't think we really filmed that much, so.
You know what, I don't give a shit. I got pretty drunk.